Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. Hey guys, the 2005 Exmark 72-inch Lazer Z with the Ultra Cut deck on it. The deck is in very nice mechanical shape, as you can see here. The paint has been touched up on it, and it also needs some decals. The tread decals are pretty much worn down, as well as the other decals, some of the other decals here. The tires are about 50% life left on the front. You can see here the console of the machine with the key switch, blade engagement, hour meter, throttle, and choke. Everything operates well as far as the console components go. Rear tires are approximately 50% life left on the right hand side and about 80% life left on the left hand side. The machine has a Kohler Command SP 27 horsepower engine with the Donaldson air filtration system. It starts up and runs and operates well. You can see here. Brand new seat installed. Hydro pumps and wheel motors are in excellent operating condition. They work fine, haven't found any issues with them. Muffler's in very nice shape. The guard is bent in a little bit here. The machine has 2,125 hours on the meter. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a message, and thank you very much. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.